Hello everyone and welcome to the Great Movie Ride. Once again, my name is Erin and I'll be taking you from this Hollywood soundstage into some of the greatest movies of all time, all on one tour. And just between me and you, this is no ordinary tour, so you won't be seeing these movies in the ordinary way. It'll be as if you're in the movies. I don't know about you folks, but I just love the great Hollywood musicals of the 1930s. This scene is from one of my favorites, the Busby Berkeley classic, Footlight Parade, starring James Cagney, Ruby Keeler, and Dick Powell. In 1952, Gene Kelly was singing in the rain with Debbie Reynolds and Donald O'Connor. Did you know that Gene Kelly co-directed this movie? And can anyone tell me what movie this is? That's right, it's Walt Disney's Academy Award-winning film from 1964, Mary Poppins, starring Julie Andrews and Dick Van Dyke.
Chimney, chim, chimney, chim, chim, chimney. When you're with the sweet, you're in bad harmony.
Nowhere is there a more happier fool.
Hold on to your wallets and purses, folks. This doesn't look like a very good neighborhood. In fact, it looks a lot like the underworld. This scene's from such classic gangster films as The Public Enemy, starring one of my favorite tough guys, James Cagney.
You better let it go for a while.
Even though Cagney is best known as one of the movie's greatest gangsters, he won his only Oscar for his role as the song and dance man, George F. Cohan, in Yankee Doodle Dandy.
I said, you and who else?
Some of my favorite movies are... Oh, sorry. He's got a point. I hate it when people talk during the movies.
Should have a flare or something. I'm saying, honestly, yours smells like burning garbage. Just take the car up and get it.
Okay. Does anybody know the name of the film that Clint Eastwood and John Wayne made together? Actually, that's a trick question. That's right. The two world's most famous movie cowboys never made a film together. Until now.
Myself shot and hightail it out of here. Go right ahead if that's what you're mind to do. A long time ago, I made me a rule. Let people do what they want.
The Duke and Clint made some of the greatest westerns of all time, like State. Someone's robbing the bank! Not on my watch, Pilgrim. Sit tight, folks. I'll be right back.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated. Your guide will return momentarily. Remain seated, please.
Hold it right there, hombre.
Good job, Snake.
Oh, come on. You wouldn't shoot a gal in the back.
Oh, yeah? That's what you think, stranger. Isn't that right, Snake?
Reach for the sky!
I'm reaching.
You're under arrest!
Get him there.
Let him do it, woman! Get yourself up! Maybe the judge will go easy on you. You'll swing for this.
Nothing doing. Nobody's sticking my neck in a noose. Lady, fence is shooting all that.
Riding with me now. Hold on to your horses. Time to saddle up and ride. Yeah. Meet you back at the hideout, Snake. Adios, Tin Horn. I'm riding off into the sunset. Oh, the sun sure went down quick, didn't it? Well, I'm a stranger to these here parts. What tarnation is this? This is Alien. You are with Sigourney Weaver aboard the spaceship Nostromo. Something has gone wrong. One by one, the crew has vanished. And somewhere in the ship, a terrifying creature waits to claim its next victim. Warning, remain in your vehicle. The area you are entering is extremely dangerous. Proceed with caution.
The emergency distress system is now activated. This will detonate minus 10. The option to override all detonation expires minus 5.
That is one ugly-looking critter. And it mean nothing personal. Leaping lizard is rearing up again. I reckon it likes you. Oh, I sure wish my old partner Snake were here. Oh, I said snake, not snakes. Here in Raiders of the Lost Ark, amid 1,000 deadly snakes, Indiana Jones unearths a great treasure. Will Harrison Ford escape with his discovery? And what will be your fate? Sorry, partners. I'm making this up as I go. The dust of 3,000 years lies undisturbed in this ancient burial chamber. And on the chest of the great stone god, a priceless jewel. Looks like we hit the mother lode. I reckon it's time to stake my claim. Don't none of you hombres move while I'm fetching that treasure. Less than you want a belly full of lead. But the jewel is guarded by a curse, and those who dare defy that curse must pay with their lives.
Unbeliever, disturb the treasure of the gods and you shall all pay with your lives.
To show you, anything can happen in the movies. Now let's get on with the show. I see dead people. The horror movie is my all-time favorite genre. Some of the best horror films were produced back in the 1930s and 40s, but monsters, mutants, and maniacs are still audience favorites and continue to haunt us today. Look, everyone, mummies, the original rap stars. We are now entering the jungle, home of one of the most beloved characters of all time. No, it's not George of the Jungle. Actually, it's Tarzan, portrayed here by Johnny Weissmuller. Over here we have Maureen O'Sullivan as Jane, and the one and only Cheetah as herself. Johnny Weissmuller is probably the best known Tarzan, but he had some tough competition for the title role in his first film. When casting the 1932 version of Tarzan the Ape Man, the producer seriously considered a young unknown actor by the name of Clark Gable, but the future Rhett Butler lost the role because the director didn't think that Gable was muscular enough. I think this is the beginning of a beautiful friendship. Best last line of a movie ever. Humphrey Bogart and Ingrid Bergman in the classic romance, Casablanca.
You'll always have hands. You didn't have it. You lost it until you came to Casablanca. You got it back the next time. I've got a job to do too. Where I'm going, you can't follow. What I've got to do, you can't do anymore. But I know there'll be more.
And here's one of my favorite movie stars, Mickey Mouse, in one of his greatest roles as the Sorcerer's Apprentice in Fantasia. The sorcerer in this sequence is named Yen Sid, which is Disney spelled backwards. Toto, I have a feeling we're not in Kansas anymore. How often do you get to say that? I'd say we're definitely somewhere over the rainbow in one of the most beloved movies of all time.
Yes, and the joyous news be spread. The wicked old witch at last is dead.
The Wizard of Oz. I didn't mean to kill anybody.
Well, my little pretty, I can cause accidents too.
Oh, rubbish. You have no power here. Be gone before someone drops a house on you, too.
Very well. I'll bide my time. But just try to stay out of my way. Just try. I'll get you, my pretty. And your little dog, too.
I wonder how we get out of here. What do you folks think? Which way should we go?
Follow the yellow brick road.
Oh, the yellow brick road. Now, why didn't I think of that? Sing along, folks. You know the words.